That's airflow sensor. This one is pretty decent. It's like not that bad. I wish I could zoom in on it. My phone doesn't want to do it right now. But I kind of like cleaned it off a little bit because I didn't want to fuck it up. So I didn't just grab the spray cleaner and all that good stuff. I just did with the throttle body stuff indirectly, like I didn't put it straight on it. But anyways, if you clean this and clean that, it should run a whole lot smoother. I swear, it gave me like 5 extra miles, like doing 95 on the freeway. This shit only went to 90 first. Almost done. All it was this bolt right here. Take this off. Take the sensor off and put it back on carefully, not to touch anything. Covered that to keep all this dirt out. Next thing I'm gonna do is change the cylinders. I think the solenoids and the spark plugs. I think those are good ones. So go check that. I bet this thing gets up. I do not speed on the freeway, but hypothetically, if I was, I'd be chewing up Chargers. I'm sorry. Challenger will whip my ass. That's the dream car when I'm ready. Motherfucker better not go nowhere. Shit. Whew. That's all. Plug that motherfucker back in. Alright, so really important. Know which way your thing slides when it goes on there. I really hope that's on tight enough, because I think I got it to turn as many times as it can. Last time I tried to turn it more, fucking snapped. There it is, in there. I wonder why couldn't nobody just aim it at the thing like this. Boom, there it is. Between the firewall and the back of the engine. So remember, you have this thing on the bottom. Kind of slides into place right here. This is a new one though. I'm always like just snapping it off. So I'm gonna rip this off with pair of pliers and then plug this one in because it's new. Plug right in. Plug it. Sometimes you have to cut some shit. It's only because the job is done. And why would I use an old plastic plug when I have a new one? Plug right in. Alright, this one. Motherfucker. This goddamn stuff really fucking messed up angle.